Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my space. I found out this is a very highly requested video and I decided to bring it on here. A lot of people find it very difficult to add weight no matter what they eat. So this video is for people who wants to gain weight the healthy way without breaking the bank. So here are the ingredients you'll be needing in order to make this weight gain smoothie, and you will start seeing results within the first week of consuming it. Banana is a nutrient-dense fruit and is packed with fiber, antioxidants, magnesium, vitamin B6, and many other vital nutrients you'll be needing. So while the milk and the yogurt in this smoothie brings lean protein, and the oat adds even more fiber and gives the smoothie a thicker and more satisfying texture. Also, the benefits of peanut butter in this smoothie helps you gain muscles. It's good for the brain, it's high in fiber, it is good for your heart, and also strengthens the bone. So in order to turn the ingredients into a smoothie, you will be needing a blender. I will start off by adding 3 pieces of medium banana into the blender, 1 cup of oatmeal into the blender as well. Next, I'll be adding peanut butter, but for those who can't ingest or tolerate nuts in their meal, most especially peanuts, I will advise you to add English pear in place of the peanut butter. So for the peanuts, I was meant to add 2 tablespoonfuls of the peanut butter, but unfortunately mine wasn't enough, but I will improvise by adding the normal roasted peanuts. It will still turn out great. So in case you don't have peanut butter and you were so confused on how to achieve this, you can still add the normal peanut and you are still going to get the normal result. So the next thing I'll be adding here is the evaporated milk. But if you have your whole milk, your full cream milk, you can add into your smoothie. But for the purpose of this video, I am using the 3 Crown filled cream. So if you want to gain the maximum weight which you desire for this, you are going to use full fat cream. This is mostly for people who wants to achieve weight gain using this smoothie. The next thing I'll be adding is the sweetened yogurt, but I will recommend you using the Greek yogurt because it is more nutrient dense and healthier than any other yogurt. But for the purpose of this recipe, I am using the sweetened yogurt. So after adding the yogurt, I will be adding the chilled ice water to the content and blend it properly to get the desired smoothie drink. But do bear in mind, if you are using the whole milk, make sure it is chilled because it's going to replace the water for blending. But if you are not using whole milk, make sure the water is very chilled. So after adding all the content into the blender, I went ahead to blend into a fine smoothie. The smoothie is ready and this is what it looks like after blending. It is very yummy and very creamy. Trust me, this tastes really great. And for those thinking if it's difficult to drink, trust me, it is very easy, tasteful, and easy to make. So if you have been craving for this, get your ingredients and get it ready. You are going to love it. So in order to achieve the aim of this smoothie, make sure you take it seriously. Within 1 to 2 weeks of taking this alongside with your nutrient dense meal, we are going to achieve a very lovely and visible result. It is best taken in the morning after taking your breakfast and every night before bedtime. And once the smoothie is made, it is best to consume this within 24 hours and nothing more than that. If you do otherwise, it's going to upset your stomach, which you wouldn't like the outcome. So if you follow those steps and tips I mentioned here, you will achieve maximum results. So please feel free to share this video to your friends, your loved ones, and maybe someone who is struggling with weight gain might find this really helpful. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this recipe on the comment section. I love you all and I will see you guys on my next one. So till then, bye.